So here's a real quick and easy project for you. I put on a little cup holder on the four-wheeler, and it's kind of a rig job, but you know what? It's really handy, and it's free. So if you got a few tools, this is about the easiest thing you can do. All I did was take a small piece of plywood and trace around one of the openings here on the rack, and drilled a hole, then cut it out, and then traced around, I don't know, some cup or something circular, obviously, and used a jigsaw to get the circles, and little sandpaper, little paint, and I tell you, it's handy. You can fit the big cups in there, so if you're out doing projects, working on the farm, whatever, it's key. So anyway, something real easy for your for a little weekend project for you.